Already.
Good morning, it's Dunnage Garage. We are going to be working on
Brian's Jeep.
Brian's Jeep the Punisher. We got a few little projects to do on this. We got door hinges, door handles, and tailgate.
We're going to look at the tailgate and see if we can align that a little bit better. It's a Smitty built tailgate.
Cool.
And maybe squirters.
Oh,
adjustable squirters.
Squirters. There we go. Let's get into this. Alright, so the Smitty built box. We got sexy black door handles. Or door hinges. Door hinges.
Supposedly stainless. Smitty built. Hardware.
Got some bolts. Boy, that would suck.
That's different.
Alright.
Okay, that's concerning. There's a left and a right lower.
Yeah, right here is where we first started noticing the problem, and we tried to overthink it and hope that we were wrong, but we weren't.
Go in like this on this side with these rails on the inside.
Oh, they're supposed to be on the inside? Oh, probably.
Right.
Does that look like it's going to fit though?
Yeah. That matches on that one, so that looks like it'd go there. Let's go look at the other side.
That's right.
Oh my goodness, we got it right.
Plug.
At this point, we haven't fully accepted that they sent us the wrong parts. They sent us the left and right lower hinge and 2 passenger side upper hinges instead of a left and right upper hinge. So here we go. We're going to keep pushing through this and take the doors apart, get them off the Jeep, pull the hinges, and when we pull the hinges we noticed a whole bunch of surface rust, so we're going to take that or take care of that and get it sanded up and painted. We had black paint, the hinges were black, so we figured we'd be good. Just didn't realize we'd be maybe putting the silver hinges back on. Yeah.
Well, we're committed. Ruby, you just don't look impressed.
This way you don't have to try and have somebody else breaking it free on its own.
reminder, April 21st to 22nd, Springfield, Missouri is the Moore Overland Expo. We will be there as storytellers. Don't forget to use the code DUNNAGEGUARD10 for 10% off your ticket prices. Come on in, visit with us. We'd love to see you.
Little washers for something.
The fasteners for the hinge are going to require an Allen wrench versus what's factory to the Jeep. And I'm concerned that we're not going to get them very tight and be able to keep them torqued, whereas the original would actually tighten down better, be able to get that torque setting. We would just have to sandblast it and paint them. Alright, the problem we're running into is we got 4 sets of hinges. There's the new hinge in place, ready to mount to the door. The door is prepped. However, yeah, that hinge right there, the top driver, they sent us 2 of the passenger. So it is non-workable. So what we've decided is we're going to take the new hinges off and all the new hardware and reuse all the old stuff and basically put it back the way it was when it pulled in the garage. Sometimes that happens, I guess. Matte juice, huh?
Yeah.
That's a new one. No offense, I don't know that I want matte juice in my Jeep. Brian's Jeep's okay.
Yeah. Well, it's not your Jeep, it don't matter.
So we have German torque, which is guten type. We have Jeep torque, which is where it's supposed to be. And now we have matte juice torque. The issue with the matte juice is you got to repeatedly torque it to get to the right. And that is how you do not install new hinges on an old Jeep. Thanks for watching. I think we're gonna get into